Bleaching powder, a kind of chemical compound. First of all, let us see chemical formula of bleaching powder. This is chemical formula of bleaching powder. Its chemical name is calcium chlorohypochlorite. Calcium chlorohypochlorite, chemical name of bleaching powder. It can act as a decolorizing agent and germicidal agent. But how? This is what we are going to learn today. So let's begin. Bleaching powder. Let us begin from the very beginning. This is calcium carbonate. Commercial name is limestone. When limestone is heated, then from this compound carbon dioxide gas goes out. As a result, it converts to calcium oxide, which is known as quicklime. When quicklime is treated with water, that is, water is mixed with quicklime, then this is formed. Powder of calcium hydroxide, which is commonly called slaked lime. Or hydrated lime. When this hydrated lime is treated with water to make a solution, saturated solution, then we get saturated solution of calcium hydroxide, which is known as lime water. Lime water, saturated solution of calcium hydroxide. Now let us see preparation of bleaching powder from calcium hydroxide, slaked lime. Now, preparation of bleaching powder. Chlorine gas is treated with lime water. At room temperature, 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Then there is formed calcium chlorate, calcium chloride, and water. This is calcium chlorate 1. Chlorate 1 because here its valency is 1. That is why its name is calcium chlorate 1. But when chlorine gas is treated with slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, and the reaction is conducted at 40 degrees Celsius temperature, then this is formed. Bleaching powder, and water is formed. Water vapor is formed. So when chlorine gas is treated with slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, then calcium chlorohypochlorite is formed. That means bleaching powder is formed. Now let us see decolorizing action and germicidal action of bleaching powder. Bleaching and germicidal action of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, calcium chlorohypochlorite. When bleaching powder is dissolved in water, then this is formed. Calcium chloride and hypochlorous acid. Hypochlorous acid, a kind of unstable acid. That is why this unstable hypochlorous acid immediately breaks up into hydrochloric acid and nascent oxygen is formed. Nascent oxygen, atomic form of oxygen, which is extremely reactive entity. Now, this nascent oxygen oxidizes colored substance. As a result, colored substance turns into colorless substance. So, through oxidation, bleaching powder acts as decolorizing agent. Again, this nascent oxygen reacts with germ cells. As a result, germ cells die. Dead germ cells. That is to say, bleaching powder through oxidation oxidizes colored substance to colorless substance, and at the same time this nascent oxygen destroys germ cells. As a result, germs die, dead germ cells. Decolorizing and germicidal action of bleaching powder. No more today. Thank you very much.